This is Tip from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get past when your saved data on your PlayStation 4 for a game is corrupted. Now the first thing you want to do is to rebuild the database on your PS4 by holding down the power button and then going to power and go to turn off PS4 and completely 100% turn off. Do not go to enter rest mode. We want it completely turned off. Then we're going to wait for the light on the top here to stop blinking, and we're going to plug in our controller with a USB cable to operate the safe mode menu. Now with the light stop blinking, hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later you will hear a second beep. Then you can go ahead and let go. Now go to your controller, it should be charging, and press the PlayStation button. Now it's blue, and we can operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad and select with X. Now under this menu, let's go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. And if you have corrupted data, this should go ahead and fix it. And then you can go to OK. It says it may take a few hours. My experience only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do. So it's going to restart your PlayStation 4 and then bring you to a screen where it gives you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. And then after that, it should go ahead and restart and you should be good. Now another thing that we could try is deleting and then downloading the saved data back to your PlayStation. So we can go to settings right here and then go to application, save data management. And I would only do this if you have PlayStation Plus and you have auto upload turned on, and all your saved data should be uploaded to the cloud storage now. So what we could do is go to save data in system storage, and then we can go to delete. And we can locate the game we want to go ahead and delete that we're having an issue with. So let's go to Minecraft for this example. Select the data, or go to select all on the top and then delete the data. Now what we can do is back out and go to save data in online storage. Since we have PlayStation Plus, we can do this, and we can download the saved data from the online storage to our PlayStation 4. So if there is any kind of corrupted data, we should be able to fix that. Now it's going to say please wait for like 20 seconds for some reason. Mine is just super slow. Now locate your game, select it, and then download the saved data back to your PlayStation 4. So we can go to download on the bottom here. So I'm going to go ahead and just select my saved games and go to download and then leave all the worlds off it. So I'm downloading my data right now, and I can go back to the game and start it up. Now another thing you can do is try to delete the game and then re-download it. So if I delete one of these games, let's go to Rayman Legends, and then go to delete, press OK, and we can just re-download the entire game. So then we want to go to library, go to purchased, and then locate the game under here, or we can go to the top, go to purchase date, or we can go to search, and we can try to find the game. So we just type it in, Rayman, and it should be showing up. Here it is. And then download it back to your PS4. Now, if you are having problems with your licenses or something like that, maybe there's an issue with those, you can go to settings, then go to account management, and go to restore licenses right here. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring them. Just go to restore on the bottom, and this should fix it, and you should be able to launch the game now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Tech.